are on. So put the code in. First of all, to reactivate it, press the card bit in the middle. And okay, here's the smart lock I just installed. You can just pull the door shut and it'll be locked, but it's not activating the bolts top and bottom. So what you can do, you can lift the handle up. Now that's locked top and bottom. The hooks are on. So put the code in. First of all, to reactivate it, press the card bit in the middle. Then put the code in. Then the hash. And then there you go. It's open. And you're in. And from the inside, you can lift the handle up and locks it all up, top and bottom. To open, just pull the handle down. This button here, you can activate it or deactivate it. That puts privacy mode on. If you've got privacy mode on, it won't unlock from the outside. But for this particular job, the customer's already immobilised it. The customer supplied the lock, and I've just fitted it for them. So, yeah, it's quite snazzy looking. The biometric reader is on the top. Again, fire it up, card in the middle, and you push the hash key. There you go, and now it's open. Okay, that's a smart lock fitted. I've got a whole box of them to do. Where are you?